Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of digital forensics with a comprehensive look at understanding and handling digital evidence. We'll explore various identification methods, the sources where digital evidence can be found, the challenges we often face, and the best practices for managing and analyzing this critical information. I'm excited to take you through this essential overview that plays a vital role in today's investigative and security environments. Let's get started. Digital evidence is any information stored or transmitted in a digital format that can be used in legal investigations and court cases. It helps us understand actions, communications, and transactions that are relevant to the case we're looking into. Identifying this evidence accurately is essential because it ensures the data remains intact and reliable for detailed analysis and judicial scrutiny. If digital evidence isn't handled properly, there's a real risk of losing or damaging important information, which can have serious consequences on the outcome of the legal process. So, careful preservation and management of digital evidence is absolutely critical. When we talk about digital evidence, it's important to recognize the common sources where this evidence is found. First, we have computers and laptops, which often contain crucial files, system logs, and emails that can provide valuable insights. Next, mobile devices like smartphones and tablets store text, call histories, and various app data that can be equally revealing. Another significant source is cloud services. These include data stored online, backups, and record of account activities, which can be vital for investigations. External storage media, such as USB drives and SD cards, are also important since they often hold copied or transferred data. We shouldn't overlook network devices, including routers and firewalls, because they generate logs that show the flow of network traffic. Lastly, Internet of Things devices, like smart home gadgets and wearables, capture user interactions that might uncover important information. Together, these sources form the backbone of collecting digital evidence. When it comes to identifying digital evidence, there are several key methods we rely on. First, forensic imaging is crucial. It involves creating an exact bit-for-bit copy of a storage device. This ensures that the original data remains untouched and intact throughout the investigation. Next, file system and metadata analysis helps us examine how files are structured and what attributes they have, which can lead us to important documents. Another important method is log examination, where we review system and application logs to track user activities and events that might be relevant. We also use specialized forensic tools like EnCase and Forensic Toolkit, which are industry standards for systematically extracting evidence in a reliable way. Finally, detecting artifacts, such as emails, chat log, and browser histories, provides valuable context that often strengthens a case. Each of these methods plays a vital role in building a comprehensive picture from digital evidence. When identifying digital evidence, several challenges can arise. One major hurdle is encryption and data protection, which limit access to the evidence we need to examine. Additionally, data volatility poses a significant risk, especially on live systems, where information can be deleted or altered quickly. To address these challenges, it's crucial to maintain a clear chain of custody, which helps us track who has handled the evidence and preserves its integrity. Using write blockers is another best practice. They prevent accidental changes to the original media. Equally important is preserving metadata, as it contains key contextual information that supports the investigation. Finally, following legal and procedural guidelines to the letter is essential. This not only ensures that the evidence is admissible in court, but also that every step is well documented for legal validation. Together, these practices help us handle digital evidence responsibly and effectively.